In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice in the Wix Owner app. We'll go from opening the app to sending the invoice automatically, so you can bill your customer in just a few taps. First, open the Wix Owner app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in on the right account. On the main dashboard, tap Site to enter the site you want to bill from. If you manage more than one, pick the right one so the invoice shows the correct business details. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen, beside the search icon. Tap the Add button, the plus sign. Choose Invoice. This opens a new invoice draft where you'll add who it's for, what it covers, and when it's due. Start by tapping Add Customer to select who you'll bill. Pick the customer from your contacts so their information fills in automatically. Before you move on, check their email and billing details, since that's where the invoice will be sent. A quick review here helps prevent delivery issues and ensures your records stay clean. Now edit the due date. Set terms that match your agreement, whether that's due upon receipt, in 7 days, or on a specific date. Clear due dates help avoid confusion and keep payments on track, so choose something realistic for both you and your customer. Then tap Add Items. Select the item or service you're charging for. If there are variants, fill in the details that matter: quantity, size, color, or any other options. Confirm the price and description so the customer knows exactly what they're paying for. When everything looks right, tap Add to Invoice to return to your draft. Accuracy here saves time later and reduces back and forth. Once you're done adding customers and items, tap Next at the upper right corner. You'll see a summary of the invoice. This is a great time to double-check totals, the due date, and the recipient. A quick final review keeps your billing professional and consistent. Finally, choose how you want to send it. In most cases, tapping Save and Close is the easiest choice because the invoice will be sent automatically to your customer using the contact details you selected. You can view it later in your invoices list and track its status, so you always know whether it's been opened or paid. And that's it. You've created and sent an invoice from the Wix Owner app in a few simple steps. Follow this flow each time to keep your billing clear, fast, and reliable.